Today, we were going to talk about issues with debt among the poor and how it affects the poor with having this debt in their dire situation. Lots of these individuals who are affected by this are underserved by traditional banking, living on paycheck to paycheck, tight, very tight budgets, go through a loss of income. Many different types of unsecured debt that cause issues for these individuals, such as court fees, high interest credit cards, student loans that follow them, payday loans, and just medical debt that cause issues for them. Traditional banking, lack of personal savings or resources to help cover this, and family and friends help out are a lot of situations where those individuals are seeking these payday loans and other sources to help cover their debts. Individuals have troubles with affording medical care at time of service, have trouble with oncoming student loan debt, payday loans at people of color, as well as issues with Main Street banks. Consequences from these bad debts could be being able to get a job, that promotion looking for, that bad credit follows them with maybe being able to rent somewhere, judgments face turn to garnishments. Judicial system is definitely unfair, especially for people of color. There is no debtor's jail, but one could face jail time if they don't answer certain questions. Wage garnishments could take 25%, one quarter of someone's pay. It's a big issue. Issues can affect the whole family. The stress from the debt could force medical as well as mental health issues. Skipping medical treatment, skipping medication are some of the results from this. The poor, this definitely affects them a lot when they could be faced with garnishment, which would mean 25% less their paycheck, skipping out other obligations to help cover this, and further lack of food and medical resources. Unmet issues here. Options to borrow money outside of credit cards and payday lenders. Help with those fees, those medical debts, uh, proper representation in court when they are brought to court as well. Law changes can help out the situation with this, such as help with the medical debt, help with the court fees, help with student loan debt forgiveness, better legal protection for these consumers out there to help with these situations. Social workers can help make a difference for those that are living in this situation with debts. We can help their overall quality of living, better health, and be able to keep more of that paycheck and not lose it to a creditor out there. There are existing programs out there to help out with things such as food assistance, medical assistance, help with maybe utility bills, or help getting a job, but we can make a difference. We can go beyond that and make a difference in other things. But what we can do is definitely more to create more options for them to help borrow money, help cover the debt with the core systems. Student loan relief is another thing, and better legal protection from these third party litigators who are out there to sue. To lend can come in different forms out there. It could be a church, grant or loans, encouraging these banks, credit unions to open up in areas they didn't before, and the employers can help out with their employees, help give loans. An option right there is maybe to allow people to pay off their debts to the court system through community service hours. That can help them keep more of their paycheck to help their family as well as give back to the community. Forgiveness can definitely help out, especially the low income earners, people who are already helping out the community, being able to not struggle, but also that they're earning they are giving back to those around them. Out there for these third party companies that go and they buy these debts. They're not the original lender, pennies on a dollar, and they bring judgments against the consumers out there. More protection is needed for those consumers. Change for those vulnerable populations out there, especially those of color, by providing more economic help when they need it for a better quality of life for those around them and help ensure poor populations have a chance. We need to stand together and help those who are impacted and being taken advantage of those in the society by especially these third party litigators out there and help improve their quality of life, help them live better.